Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya, Rensi Merlia Lukiswara, dalam video PPL ketiga yang telah dilaksanakan secara daring pada tanggal 26 Juni 2021 untuk mata pelajaran Bahasa Inggris Wajib kelas 12 di SMA Negeri 1 Cikande, Kabupaten Serang. Nah, di video kali ini masih merupakan rangkaian dari video PPL pertama dan kedua dan menggunakan model pembelajaran problem based learning. Baiklah, langsung saja kita simak videonya bersama-sama. Diawali dengan kegiatan pendahuluan secara asinkronus. Di sini guru membagikan link Google Meet melalui grup WhatsApp dan meminta peserta didik untuk segera bergabung pada kegiatan pembelajaran. Oke, kelas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Hello, good afternoon, my smart students. How are you today?
Fine, Miss.
Before starting the lesson, I need one of you to lead your friends to pray together.
Attention, please.
Yes, please.
Before we study, let's pray together again. Praying is over. Say greeting to our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, class. I want to ask you, who haven't joined this class today?
Mirza, Miss.
Mirza. Okay, where is Mirza?
Katanya izin, Miss. Iya, katanya izin, Miss.
Izin ya? Oh, okay. Do you still remember about what we have discussed at the last meeting, class?
Language fitur dari application letter bukan, Miss?
Language features, ya. Okay. We have learned about language features and detailed information from the text of application letter, ya. Okay, good, Mahesa, ya. You still remember about what we have discussed at the last meeting, ya. Next, I want to ask you again. So, what have you prepared in learning today?
At the last meeting, you asked us to find out the job vacancy from the internet and try to make a draft of application letter based on the job vacancy and our personal identity. So I have prepared both of them, Miss.
Wah, good, Alex, ya. Nah, class, then, are you ready for today's learning? Okay, good, ya. Here we go, ya. Before we discuss about the materials today, ya, to know your understanding about today's material, I have a quizzes, ya, for you. There are 5 questions, and you just choose one of the best answer. Okay, now please go to joinmyquiz.com, and you can enter the code. Wah, good job ya, Nindi, Bunga, and Nabila. Okay, I will give you a reward after this, ya. You have done the quiz about detailed information related to social function, generic structure, and language features of application letter. Nah, and based on my explanation at the last meeting, ya, I have asked you to find out the job vacancy from the internet and try to make a draft of application letter. So, in our meeting today, yeah, I hope you are able to write an application letter based on the job vacancy that you have found out before, and based on your personal identity. Nah, class, now I will share a video, yeah. And please watch the video about how to write an application letter, yeah. And after you watch the video, we have a question answer section, yeah.
The first paragraphs must be engaging because you have to include a strong declarative statement that's saying how excited you are in applying this position.
What is the video about?
The video is about how to write an application letter, Miss.
Okay, good, Masya. Okay, the video is about how to write an application letter. Yeah. Next, I want to ask you again, yeah. What will you prepare in writing application letter?
Think we can prepare our paper, pen if we write by handwriting, but if we want to type by computer, we just prepare
Okay.
our laptop, Miss. And then prepare the document, ijazah, SKCK, sertifikat, and so on, and our heart, Miss.
Wow. Okay, good, Nemat, yeah. Do you find some difficulties in writing application letter?
Yes, Miss. It's very hard
Yes.
in writing English application letter because my vocabulary is low and I don't know what I want to write.
It's okay, ya. I will share the screen about student worksheet LKPD yang harus kalian kerjakan secara individual ya. In activity 1, rearrange the jumbled sentences or paragraphs into a good application letter. Then present to your class. In activity 2, let's practice writing individually to write an application letter based on the job vacancy that you have found out before and your personal identity ya. Make it in Canva application, then upload your letter into social media. You can upload on your Instagram or Facebook ya. And don't forget, please tag my account. Now it's time for you to arrange the jumble sentence or paragraphs, and then you can continue your writing application letter in Canva application in 20 minutes. And after that, I will call 2 or 3 of you to present what you have done ya.
Miss mau nanya,
Yes.
kita perlu nggak sih nulis alamat kita di dalam suratnya?
Oke, good Nemat. Perlu nggak sih ya kita tulis alamat kita di dalam surat application letter ya? Nah, biasanya kan kalau di structure yang sudah dijelaskan sebelum-sebelumnya ada tuh ya, kita tulis alamat di bagian pojok kanan atas tuh, baru setelah itu tempat dan tanggal suratnya ya. Oke, based on the structure, you can write your address in application letter. Tapi ada juga surat yang tidak perlu kita tuliskan alamat kita di dalam suratnya ya, tapi hanya terlampir di amplopnya saja. It's okay, you can choose which one you want to follow ya. You can write your address in a letter or not ya.
Oke, Miss, makasih.
Okay, you're welcome.
Miss, can we write by handwriting?
Yes. So, what's the problem?
Lalu difoto dan dilampirkan di Canva, Miss.
You can do like that, Masya. Masya bisa tulis application letternya dengan tangan, bisa seperti itu. Kemudian hasilnya difoto, kemudian lampirkan ke Canva. It's okay, Masya.
Oke, Miss.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss. Finish, Miss. Finish, Miss.
Finish.
Finish, Miss.
If you have finished, yeah, it's time for you to present your result, yeah.
Answer 4, 9, 6, 8, 5, 7, 10, 3, 1, 2. Jalan Virgo number 050, Jakarta Selatan 35673.
Good, Alex. Okay, all of you, please give applause to Alex. Give applause, please. Okay, any one of you who wants to give comment?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, Salsa.
In my opinion, penempatan Jakarta itu berada di atas dan HRD departemen itu berada di bawah. Selain itu, teks yang berisikan skill-skill si penulis seharusnya berada di atas. Dan kalimat meyakinkan dirinya kepada pihak atasan seharusnya berada di bawah.
Oke, berarti tadi terbalik ya. Between paragraph 2 and 3 ya. Paragraph kedua dan ketiganya terbalik ya, punya Alex ya. Thank you, Alex and Salsa. And next, we continue to your draft, ya.
Vacancy yang dicari yaitu database or graphic package design. Apply for the job as database or graphic package design. I'm 20 years old.
Before I give comments, maybe any one of you wants to comment first.
Itu qualification-nya ada yang nggak ada di job ada yang nggak di application letter ketulis, yang having a good personal appearance and a pleasant personality, sama fluent in English both oral and written. Itu ya
Written,
better
ya?
what to write in the application letter ya, Nindi.
Okay, it's better you write all the requirements or all the qualification, like having a good personal appearance and a pleasant personality, and fluent in English both oral and written. Nah, itu seharusnya ada di application letternya ya. Nah, seharusnya kalau misalkan kita pakai Dear Mr., nah Mr.-nya itu harus ada namanya ya, misalnya Dear Mr. Alex gitu. Itu kalau misalkan kita sudah tahu nama pemimpin perusahaan yang akan kita lamar. But if we don't know ya, kalau misalkan kita nggak tahu siapa nama pemimpinnya, nanti Nindi tulis aja Dear Sir gitu ya, or Dear Madam gitu. Oke, give applause to Nindi and Vanessa. Thank you. Don't forget to upload your application letter ya in Instagram or Facebook ya, and please take my account. Nah, class, you have done and present your own application letter based on the job vacancy and personal identity ya. Now, it's time for reflection and conclusion ya. Oke, nah, who wants to conclude about what you have learned today?
Nabila.
Okay, Bill, please.
In this meeting, I have done the quizzes to test my understanding.
Okay.
Then I watched the video about how to read an application letter, do the complete paragraph, and make an application letter on Canva.
Thank you, Nabila. Good job ya, Bill. Nah, Mas, let's prepare yourself ya after graduating from this school. If you want to apply for a job, so you should write an application letter based on the job vacancy and prepare your documents ya, your certificate. And of course ya, in writing an application letter, you should consider some important points, such as you should review information about the company and position. Please open the letter by describing your interests, yeah, and please outline your experience and qualifications. Next, include your personality ya, your good personality, and please express your appreciation. Dan juga jangan lupa di akhir paragraf kalian juga harus cantumkan nih keharapan kalian untuk di interview ya, dan juga jangan lupa sertakan your contact information ya. Can you get the point?
Yes, me.
I think that's all ya for the lesson today. We have discussed and learned about how to write an application letter, and then you present the result. And don't forget ya, please upload to your social media like your Instagram or your Facebook. And class, for the next meeting, please study at home and prepare yourself because there will be a formative test about application letter ya. To close our activity today, Revial, please lead your friends to pray.
After we study, let's pray together.
Okay, thank you, Fas, for joining this class today. See you and goodbye.